food items? We all need food. Food gives us the energy to do work, and also keeps us healthy. Do you remember what you had for lunch or dinner yesterday? Did you notice that the food you had, for example, dal, roti, sabzi, etc., are made up of a combination of different substances? Let's understand this with an example. Rohan ate chapatis and dal for lunch. Do you know the ingredients required to prepare these food items? Ingredients for dal and chapati, roti. For dal makhni, dal, water, and spices. For roti, water, and atta. These substances that are required for preparing a particular kind of dish are known as its ingredients. Food variety. Do you think that people living in different states of India have similar food habits? The answer is no. In India, different types of food are prepared in different states. Reasons for this variety. There are many reasons that bring the variety in the food habits of people of different regions of India. Some of them are the method of preparation. Open fires and tandoors are used in northern India. Types of oils used. Coconut oil is used in South Indian food preparations, while mustard oil is used in North Indian food preparations. Spices used. Garam masala is a spicy powder used in most North Indian food preparations. The climatic conditions. The climate of northern India is hot and dry. Hence, the people of northern India consume wheat products. The types of crops grown. Wheat is grown in most parts of northern India, while in southern India, rice is grown. The geographical location. Fish preparations are common in the coastal regions because they are obtained in abundance. Some interesting facts. Milk chocolate was first made by Daniel Peter, who sold the concept to his neighbor Henri Nestlé. The world's first chocolate candy was produced in 1828 by Dutch chocolate maker Conrad J. van Houte. Sources of food ingredients. What is your favorite food item? Is it idli sambar, pizza or burger? Various substances make your food tasty. These substances that are used in making a food item are known as its ingredients. Do you know where the ingredients of your favorite food items come from? These food ingredients can be obtained from varied sources. Based on the source, food items can be classified as plant products and animal products. Have you ever made onion raita at home? Do you know what are the ingredients used in making onion raita? The given table shows the ingredients of onion raita. While doing this activity, you might have noticed that some ingredients are obtained from plants, while the other are obtained from animals. Ingredients obtained from different sources go into the making of a particular dish. Now, let us learn about some other food items and their sources. Ghee and butter are made from milk. Milk is obtained from animals such as cows, buffaloes, goats, etc. Garlic, pepper, etc. are obtained from their respective plants. Oil is something which we get both from animals and plants. Mustard oil is obtained from the seeds of mustard plant. Similarly, groundnut oil is obtained from groundnuts. Salt is obtained from seawater. Complete the following table by listing the sources, plant or animal, of the given ingredients. Do you know who vegetarians are? People who do not consume meat like red meat, poultry, seafood, etc., and rely only on plant products are called pure vegetarians. However, people who consume animal products such as meat, eggs, etc. are called non-vegetarians. Some interesting facts. Do you know who vegans are? Vegans are pure vegetarians who do not consume any animal product. These people exclude all animal products from their lifestyle such as wool, silk, leather, etc. Honey is the only food that does not spoil. Honey found in the tombs of Egyptian pharaohs has been tasted by archaeologists and found edible. The rearing of honeybees for commercial production of honey is called apiculture. Plant products as food. Plants are the ultimate source of food material for all animals. Plants provide us with a large number of food items. Grains, vegetables, pulses, cereals, etc. are all obtained from plants. From what part of the plant do we get food? Is there only one part of the plant that is eaten as food? Or are different parts of plants consumed? No. In fact, many parts of plants can be used as sources of food. The parts of plants that we eat are known as edible parts. These can be listed as below. Fruits. Fruits form edible parts in tomato, cucumber, gourd, pumpkin, etc. Flowers. Broccoli, cauliflower, pumpkin. Though pumpkin's fruit is eaten on the larger scale, its flowers are also edible, etc. have edible flowers. Stems. Stems are edible in potato, ginger, turmeric, etc. Leaves. Spinach, cabbage, mustard, kale, etc. have edible leaves. Roots. Roots of carrot, turnip, and beetroot are edible. Seeds. Seeds form edible parts in peas, beans, sunflower, mustard, etc. There are some plants whose more than one part is used as food material. For example, the fruit, both in raw and ripened form, stem and flower of banana plant are edible. Also, the seed and leaves of both coriander, dhania, and fenugreek, methi, are edible. Classification of animals on the basis of their eating habits. A lion was kept in an area which was full of fruit trees, herbs and shrubs but devoid of any animal. It was seen that after a month the lion was dead. Can you guess the reason behind the death of the lion? Well, this happened because a lion does not eat plants. It requires flesh to satisfy its hunger. Hence, in the absence of animals, it died due to starvation. Does this mean that all animals eat flesh? No. The food habits among animals are different. For example, squirrels like nuts, elephant likes sugarcane, bear likes honey, etc. Different animals consume different food items. Let us study the type of food consumed by some animals. Some animals eat only plants, others eat other animals. Some animals eat both plants and animals. Do you know how these animals are classified according to their eating habits? Animals can be classified into herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores on the basis of their eating habits. Animals such as deer, butterflies, cows, giraffes, etc. eat only plants. Hence, they are placed in Group A. Such animals are known as herbivores. Animals such as eagle and lions mostly eat other animals. Hence, they are placed in Group B. Such animals are known as carnivores. You must have observed from the given table that there are some animals such as chimpanzees and rats that eat both plants and animals, for which you kept the field blank. These animals form another group which is known as omnivores. Riddle time. A man is traveling through a forest, with his sheep, wolf and a bundle of grass collected in the forest. On the way, they come across a river, which has to be crossed with the help of a boat. The boat can carry only two things at any given time. The man cannot leave the wolf and the sheep alone, because the wolf is a carnivore and it will eat the sheep. He can neither leave the sheep and the grass bundle alone, because the sheep is a herbivore. The wolf and the grass can be left together because wolf does not eat grass. Can you think of a way in which the man can cross the river safely with his belongings?